Mistplay not opening on iOS 18 is usually worth troubleshooting before you delete the app, because restarting the iPhone, checking for a Mistplay update, and reinstalling the app are separate fixes that address different problems. By the end, you'll know the safest order to test when Mistplay crashes, stays on the loading screen, or immediately closes on an iPhone running iOS 18. Start by completely closing Mistplay. Swipe up from the bottom of the iPhone screen and remove Mistplay from the recent apps view.io. Then open Mistplay again. If it was stuck because of a temporary app process, this can clear the problem without changing your account. If Mistplay still will not open, restart your iPhone. Turn the device off, wait for it to shut down completely. Then turn it back on and try Mistplay again. Next, check the App Store for a Mistplay update. Open the App Store, search for Mistplay, and look for an update button. If an update is available, install it before trying more complicated fixes. You should also check for an iOS update. Open Settings, select General, then Software Update. If Apple offers an update for your iPhone, install it if your device and storage allow it. If Mistplay opens but immediately crashes, check your available iPhone storage. Go to Settings General, then iPhone Storage. If storage is nearly full, remove unnecessary files or apps, and try Mistplay again. Your internet connection is another quick check. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Then launch Mistplay again. If the app works on one connection but not the other, the problem may be related to the network rather than the app itself. If Mistplay still refuses to open, the next step is deleting and reinstalling the app. Before you do this, make sure you know the login method connected to your Mistplay account. Reinstall Mistplay from the App Store, and sign back into the same account instead of creating a new one. If the problem started immediately after an app or iOS update and reinstalling does not help, avoid repeatedly deleting the app. Check Misplay's support resources, and report the exact behavior, including whether the app crashes, freezes on loading, or closes immediately. The practical order is simple. Force close Mistplay, restart the iPhone, update Mistplay, check iOS and storage, test another connection, and reinstall only after those steps fail. Try each step in that order, so you know which change actually fixes the problem. If Mistplay still will not open afterward, contact Mistplay support with the exact error or behavior you're seeing. If this fixed your Mistplay problem, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.